welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how Christmas trees are made step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind the scenes videos like this.
We focus on color uniformity, ensuring every batch is perfectly consistent. This results in superior durability for the final product.
Every branch is crafted and inspected for perfect realism. Every product is checked before leaving the facility.
And that's how Christmas trees are made. Festive, good start from start to finish.